Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. I'm very excited, guys. I put a little money in my trading account today or yesterday. 250 bucks. 250 bucks. Now, let's go to my trading account. Alright. Now I ain't put no trade in yet. I'm just testing things out. Right? Now this is United States versus JPY, Japan, right? Now, this is a 4 hour chart right here. I know it's an uptrend, guys, right? I'm just waiting for this white candle that you can see. It brought the price down to hit the trend line and then bring it back up. Then I get in the trade right there. Now, I drew my resistance line right here, my mid resistance line right here, and my support line right here. So if it passed my top resistance line, I'll get in a trade also. But if it go down, I just wait until it hit my trend line right here. And when I'll get in a trade, I'll look at the 1 hour chart, guys, to be honest with you. So I can read it better. Because, 4 hours is like 4 candles past. So if it break this right here, I might take a sell, but I might not. I might just let it go all the way down to my trend line right here, and then ride it up, guys. Because I'm investing, this is gonna be a live trade when I'm about to do, guys. So I won't be make sure I'm 100. So I make sure it probably hit this right here first. Then once it hit this right here, I'll get in the trade, guys. This is the 1 hour chart right here, but that's the confirmation. But I'll wait until the 4 hour chart right here. I know it want to sell because you see the white candle right here drip down like that. So, you know, I got a little method I want to do too, but I just want to go off the trend line and resistance and support line right now because this is going to be my real money. My real money. I just put $250 yesterday, guys. I won't put another 800 or something like that in. But I just wanted to start with a 250 first and make sure, you know, I can make at least, $10 to $20 a day. And then I raise it up so I can make like 50 to $100 a day, guys. All right, guys, a little quick video. What I'm on right now. Not only I'm on affiliate marketing, but also like doing Forex Market too, guys. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, guys, just go to getpaidwithadrian.com. All right, guys. Once again, it's your boy A. Love and peace. I holla.